Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I want to fix a part of my wall. I want to completely be done with my kitchen area. So my living room is more of an open space. Kuna section ya kitchen, then kuna section ya sitting area. So I need to be completely done with the kitchen, because I don't think there is any upgrade that I will be doing anytime soon, apart from maybe buying the cooker. But apart from that, I already have a space for that, so I need to figure out how to create a kitchen island, a functional kitchen island, and also cover the back of my fridge. I really don't like seeing the back of my fridge when I'm in the living room. Let me show you what I mean. This is how my kitchen looks like. So this is where I normally do my DIY. I need to move this, whatever it's happening there, to another different area. So basically that's how my kitchen look. You see that cupboard over there, that one, I need to put it permanently in such a way that it cover the back of the fridge and the microwave. I also need to make this whatever kitchen divider that I was doing to be more functional. So I will buy a seat or make a seat that I'll be using nikikula, because I really do enjoy eating while standing. I don't know why, ni kama niko military, I really do enjoy eating while I'm standing. So I need to fix that, but basically that's it. Then after that, I think the kitchen will be over. Oh, and also have under the kitchen makeover or whatever video that I will also do. But in the meantime, let us fix that corner and then repaint that wall. I had done like a mustard lime wash color. I am no longer feeling the vibe for it, so I need to get rid of that. So maybe on this wall I will paint a different color or do a wallpaper. That is yet to be decided. So let's start with that. We start with that corner, then this is what I mean when I say I don't like seeing the back of the fridge. So I need to completely do a good job with that. I tried doing like a peel and stick, but it was not giving. So yeah, I need to fix that. So I don't know, I should first fix, let me first fix the, oops. This double-sided tape is supposed to be rental friendly, but it is not. So I need to like literally scrub the paint off it. Okay, then we'll see what to do about, maybe we'll do a filler and fill it, but it is literally not rental friendly. So before I do my first white color, I'm going in with a base color. This will make sure that I don't use more white paint, which is more expensive than the cover mat. So normally if you're going from a colored to a white color, you need to first cover it with a cover mat, then do the color of your choice. But if I was going with a different color, like a bold color like the one that I have, I will definitely just go in straight and paint without the cover mat. As you can see, this is where I have been putting all my tools, my DIY supplies. So I will do another video when I build like a mini cabinet for all my tools and maybe my workstation, because if you have watched my videos you realize I really don't have a workstation, which is starting to affect my back because the bending is not bending. As you can see, most of the material that I'm using are just recovered pieces that I have. I normally do like a few projects, not a lot, a few projects. So when I have a leftover material, I make sure to put it somewhere because I know I may need it. So that's why you can see I have different materials on this one piece. I have different cabinet, I have different style. That's what's up, as like the back ply sheet with the wavy shape, that was the one that I did for the mirror, because I didn't want first to dispose the piece without knowing if I will need, because in my head I will need it somewhere. So I just place it somewhere, then later I may end up using it, but if I don't, I just dispose it without feeling any guilt or yeah, without feeling like I'm throwing away money. If you are wondering why I'm using the top part as my drilling point, this is because I already had a few holes there, so I'm just trying to cover them. Then I will go in with a filler, I'll cover the whole thing, then paint it kidogo to match the board color. If you're wondering, the space is totally rental, so if I move I'll just dismantle the piece and go with it. So it's very simple to just toa, sikwangi ngumu. Like I said, this place I'm allowed to change a few things here and there, and it is just like buying kitchen island, but in this case I'm just making one for myself. I've used the cut picture to cover where my main box applies. This is a hack if you don't like seeing the box of where the electrical cables are. It's an easy way to cover it, so I've just added double-sided. I'll stick that picture there. At this point, I can already start seeing the vision coming to life. It's funny how a few fixes here and there can make a place totally look different, and I love this for me. I'm going to do ripping on around the MDF chipboard to protect it from water and also make it look a little bit clean. So I went in with black instead of white because my kitchen theme is black and white. So in this whole space in my house, I have one central light, so that is for me is not enough. So I'm going to do a snake light in the kitchen. I also did a floor lamp. If you missed that video, you can go back and watch it. It's really amazing, so you can go back and watch it. Remember to like it, share, comment, let me know what you think. And I'm also going to do an extension for the small appliances and also power socket for the microwave and also the snake light. And finally, our kitchen is 80% done. So that is the before picture. It was not bad, it was working, but we needed it to be a little bit more functional and beautiful. So this is my new space. I love it, I love it. So I get to sit here and eat, I get to sit here and also work. The light is perfect, it's very enough, especially around the sink area. The tiny storage works for me because I will have to like a breakfast, something, a table there. So this is just a simple way to refresh a space if you really don't want to do much or buy anything extra. So thank you guys for watching. If you have watched this video up to this far, remember to hit that like button. It really does help boost my content. I also have like 80% of you guys who are watching without subscribe. Like, why? Please subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.